Welcome to Vegan Method. In this video I'm making vegan and gluten-free Greek style minted kofta kebabs. For the recipe I have one small onion that's been cut finely into cubes. I've got 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of coriander, 1 teaspoon of mint. I've got half a teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of salt and 2 teaspoons of red chilli flakes. I've also got 2 cloves of garlic and 300 grams of vegan mince. Now this recipe is very simple, so what we do is we put all the ingredients into the bowl with the mince. So in goes the onions, the spices, the chilies and then the crushed garlic. Once everything is in the bowl, now comes the fun part. You can get your hands in there and give it a really good mix. You want to squeeze it and move it all around to make sure that when you have the kebabs, you've got a little bit of each flavour in every bite. Once the mixture is ready, we're going to take a handful and one of the kebab sticks and form the mixture around the stick. Ideally you want the stick in the middle of the kebab mixture, and then that just makes it easier to turn later on once it's in the oven. So now we just repeat the process until we've got all the mixture used up. If you find that 1 or 2 of your kebabs are bigger than the others, you can take the mixture off and even them out. With the mixture that I used here, I managed to make 4 decent sized kebabs. Now I'll just transfer the kebabs to a cooking dish. I'm going to put them in the oven for around 10 minutes. Now if you're lucky enough to live in a country where you can cook them outside on a barbecue, I think that's where the best flavour comes from. Now as it's raining sideways where I live, I decided to put them in the oven, but you can also use a frying pan or a griddle. They were in the oven for 10 minutes and I gave them one turn after 5 minutes and they are now finished. So these delicious kebabs were served on a bed of lettuce with some sun-dried tomatoes, a slice of lemon and some homemade tzatziki sauce. Thank you very much for watching. Please feel free to like, subscribe and leave comments below, and I'll see you soon in another cooking video.